everyone. So happy Monday. No, today's Wednesday. Yes. Happy Wednesday. Well, actually, not happy. Today's a bad day. Lots of pain. Well, first it was my tooth, like I told you. And now it's my foot. So my advice is that don't leave your pain longer than you should. Well, so with my teeth, I love bubble tea and I love sweets. So therefore, first of all, cavities. Second of all, decline of the gums. So my teeth root is exposed and it hurts like bad. So I should have gone like in the springtime, but I waited until now to go because it was very painful. So today when I went to the dentist, they shot like a needle to numb my jaw, and the weirdest thing is that the numbing is all the way up to my ear. Like this was like at 4:30 this afternoon, and even now I still feel a little numbness on my lips, but my whole jaw was like stiff. So I needed that because if not, they wouldn't be able to do the desensitize on me because it was painful. So I was going to do a filling, but then if I did the filling, then I won't be able to do my event this weekend because I would have some sort of like recovery time. So in order to pass me through for this weekend until I finish my fundraising, because this weekend, Friday, Saturday, I am at the Water Lantern Festival. We have a Better Future for Kids booth, and we'll be selling food and lòng đen and nong lá and all that stuff to raise money for Help Kids to School. And then on Sunday, I'm at Dundas Square down at Eaton Center for the Thai Festival. So this whole weekend, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday is going to be crazy. So that's why I gotta go and get myself fixed up. And now I'm back getting some foot acupuncture. So in order to heal, I should have gone once a week, but since the Taste of Vietnam I was busy, so I couldn't go. But now here I'm back, and super helpful. So remember the week before Taste of Vietnam Festival, I was like limping, and my feet was like extremely sore, like excruciating pain on my left foot. So luckily, I got referred to Joseph. So he treated me for the foot, and I was able to go walk normally for the 3 days that I was doing the Taste of Vietnam Festival. Now I'm doing another event coming up this weekend, and my feet is acting up. So it's like whenever I do an event, something goes wrong, like seriously. But miraculously, with God helps, I'm able to get myself fixed. So happy Wednesday. I've leave the link below before, so if you guys have any sorts of like pain, shoulders, hand, head, feet, it hurts. So yeah, so this weekend, those of you who likes lantern, and so the Water Lantern Festival is at the Downsview Park. Chừng nào chú cần con lật qua thì chú.
Okay, cứ nói.
So the Water Lantern Festival is down at Wilson and Keel Downviews Park. So it's a beautiful event. It's water lantern, so literally you can buy cái lồng đèn, and then you're gonna draw whatever wish you want, and then there's a huge pond, cái hồ, right at Downsview Park. So after you draw and you have like a family picnic time, don't forget to support our Better Futures for Kids booth. We'll be selling gói cuốn, bánh khọt, chả tắc, bubble tea. We also sell souvenirs, nón lá and lồng đèn as well. So don't forget to support our charity booth in support of raising awareness against human trafficking and child exploitation. But all of the money that we raise will help kids to school in the remote villages. So if you're going to the Water Lantern Festival, I have discount QR code. I'll leave it in the link below with the discount code for Better Futures for Kids. So we are collaborating with the Water Lantern Festival. So with the QR code, with the code that we give you, Better Futures for Kids, you're able to get, I believe, quite a bit of a discount on buying the lantern. So it's a beautiful event. It's this year is Friday and Saturday. Usually they only have it one day, but this year they have it 2 days. So check it out, and don't forget to support our Better Future for Kids booth. So here's the condition of my feet right now. Đây các bạn, đang chỉ cái chân này nè, nó rất là đau. Các bạn có thể thấy cái dấu trên cái bàn chân của Kelly, đó là cái dấu mà Kelly đi làm Taste of Việt Nam á, ở cái lễ hội Taste of Việt Nam cuối tháng 7 á, trời nắng nóng quá, mang đôi dép mà nó bị lằn cho tới bây giờ luôn nè các bạn. Thì hiện giờ Kelly đang đi chỉ cái chân này. So hopefully it gets better so that I can walk this weekend, because right now I'm limping and it's very annoying to move around, so cross fingers. Alright everyone, so have a wonderful evening. Stay healthy, take care of yourself. Don't, leave it to the last minute like I do, and then suffer, feel pain, and then, yeah, so stay healthy, take care, and God bless. Bye.